Welcome to Blackline Magazine, your front row seat to the real stories shaping the financial world. We cut through the noise. Real business, real numbers. No fluff, no distractions. As July draws to a close, the markets are absolutely electric. Trading floors are alive with energy, and investors are glued to their screens. The Nasdaq is on a relentless run, with AI stocks leading the charge and rewriting the rules of tech investing. Meanwhile, investors everywhere are holding their breath, waiting for the Federal Reserve's next big announcement. The stakes? Nothing less than the direction of the global economy. But let's shift gears. Crypto is stealing the spotlight. Bitcoin just shattered expectations, rocketing past $118,000. That's not a typo. Crypto's original heavyweight is rewriting history. Ethereum's not far behind, surging on a wave of fresh ETF approvals and renewed institutional interest. The crypto market is buzzing with optimism. But don't get swept away by the euphoria. Analysts are still waving those volatility flags. Wild price swings and sudden corrections are still the name of the game. Here's the twist. Retail traders are flooding back in, chasing those green candles and hoping to ride the next big wave. Social media is lighting up with stories of overnight gains, but the so-called smart money, they're not getting caught up in the hype. Hedge funds and big investors are hedging their bets, parking cash on the sidelines, stacking gold, and selectively picking a handful of AI names that show real promise. It's a game of patience and precision. All eyes are now locked on the Federal Reserve's upcoming meeting, where every word could send shockwaves through the markets. Rate cut rumors are swirling and speculation is at a fever pitch. Will the Fed finally pull the trigger? Inflation's cooling off, giving some relief, but let's be honest, the economy's still facing headwinds. Unemployment, consumer confidence, and global supply chains are all in play. Now let's zoom out for the bigger picture. Global tensions are ratcheting up the pressure. From trade disputes to diplomatic standoffs, the world stage is anything but calm. Trade wars are heating up, oil prices are climbing, and supply chains are being tested like never before. Political conflicts are flaring, and every headline has the potential to jolt the markets. Right now, investors are walking a razor's edge, balancing risk and opportunity. So what's your next move? Whether you're loading up on crypto, diversifying into commodities, or just watching from the sidelines, keep your strategy sharp. Adapt quickly, stay informed, and don't let emotions drive your decisions. The market rewards those who move with purpose. Stay Blackline. This is Blackline Magazine. Subscribe now and move smarter in money. Your next big opportunity could be just one headline away.